What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got the Carlink kit. We're gonna get this thing popped open and see how this compares to the other adapter we just installed recently. All right, so let's go ahead and get this unboxed here. So, small package. Go ahead and slide this up here. Here's the box. Pull this off. We've got the instruction booklet. So here are the instructions. Okay, we will check these out a little later. So let's get to the good stuff. All right, so in the box, here we have the actual unit. Not bad, good size. And we've got two cables in here. We've got this one here, which is the one we used last time. And then we've got a USB-C to USB-C. All right, so we're gonna get this thing plugged in and let's see what it looks like. All right, so here we are, cables in. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna plug that in right here. Tuck that in and let's power things up and see what we get. How long this takes to connect.
X-band, K-band, Ka-band, laser.
Okay, so that's good. We have the auto. It will automatically connect since it's initially been paired. Now it's connecting. And there we have it. So we're good. This is good. This is good. Okay. Yeah, everything's looking pretty good so far. I mean, in essence, if you want that functionality to be able to hook up your phone, integrate that into this system or any other vehicle system, this looks like it's actually pretty good. So
GPS connected.
We'll basically, let me see here. Let's see what else we got here in these instructions. See what we got here. So actually, you know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hook up an iPhone to this to see how that works. But let's see. So there is an update and all of that. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and we're gonna disconnect this and we're gonna hook up an iPhone and see what that looks like. All right, so we're here now. We've got the iPhone. There's the Acura. We're gonna connect to that. We're gonna allow. We're gonna pair this. All right, there you have it. 2-in-1, game changer. These little adapters are game changers, okay? Man, this is awesome. This is great. All right, so more to come. We'll do another video where we'll go through the steps to get the firmware updated. I'll do another video comparing both of those units, the AutoCast and the Carlink. Here's the AutoCast. So we'll do a comparison video just for kicks and giggles. But so far, I like what I see. Thank y'all for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.